The course isn't ready yet, I suppose. What happens when I click it? New page. Learn the foundations of web design, intro to web design. Okay, so consistency here with the style, typography, the brand is there. Learn the foundations of web design. See, there's your header. Type your email, subscribe, no thanks. What happens if I click no thanks? Oh, it's just like a Substack. From a marketing perspective, from a funnel perspective, this kind of just went for me. But, you know, that could be improved. I feel like that's a missed opportunity. This should be get notified, give me a modal window, give me a sexy, fresh bread pop-up window there, enter that email, get the first lesson free. We're announcing the launch of the course and you're going to be the first one to access it. You know, like good opportunity for lead generation marketing there. And I feel like that could have been done better, but okay. From a design perspective, ooh, nice.